Bakit ganun lang? Kumikita naman, pero bakit parang ganun lang? Anak, maraming business owners ang tahimik na nagtatanong niyan ngayon. Hindi naman bagsak ang negosyo. May customers naman, may pumapasok na pera. Busy ka rin buong araw. Pero parang walang tunay na usad. Parang kahit gaano ka kasipag, nasa parehong level ka pa rin. Nararanasan mo na rin ba yon? Yung mas mahaba na ang oras ng trabaho mo ngayon kaysa noong nagsisimula ka pa lang. Pero parang hindi naman sumasabay ang growth ng negosyo. O maybe you've quietly asked yourself, mas marami akong ginagawa ngayon, bakit parang pareho pa rin ang kita? Anak, listen carefully. That feeling does not automatically mean that the business is failing, ha? Sometimes it simply means na nasa masipag stage pa lang ang negosyo mo. At sa stage na ito, totoo ang sipag, totoo ang effort, totoo pa rin ang pagod. Pero darating ang point na hindi sapat ang sipag lang para lumago ang negosyo. Few months ago, may nakausap akong isang dressmaker. Ganito yung kwento niya. Sabi niya, it started with small sewing jobs for friends and referrals. Tapos over time, lumaki rin naman. She eventually opened a tailoring shop with 3 mananahi. Steady ang orders, steady rin ang income, pero may napansin siya. Kapag gusto niyang kumita ng mas malaki, mas lalo lang siyang nagpupuyat. More clients meant more fittings, more revisions, more late nights, at mas lalo siyang kailangan personal na tutok sa lahat. However, despite all that, she could not help but ask, Mami En, bakit parang habang mas lumalaki ang effort ko, mas lalo naman akong natatali sa business ko? Anak, let me share 5 wrong beliefs that quietly keep a business busy but not truly growing. Number 1, mas maraming orders, mas malaking negosyo. More orders can increase income, pero kung everything ay nakadepende sa iyo, mas lalaki lang din ang pagod mo. Number 2, ako lang ang makakagawa nito ng tama. Kapag lahat kailangan pang dumaan sa iyo, the business cannot move faster than you. Pangatlo, okay pa naman, kakayanin ko. Just because kinakaya mo pa does not mean na sustainable pa siya, ha? Number 4, may team na. Okay na. A team helps actually, but without clear standards, ikaw pa rin ang magiging bottleneck. Number 5, kilala naman ako. Okay na yon. Personal reputation brings trust, but a business grows bigger only when the trust extends beyond you. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. Still doing everything yourself because you just can't trust anybody else to get it right? Anak, ang problema hindi yung team mo. It's that no one ever showed you how to grow them. Grow Your People Pinoy is a book that gives you a simple step-by-step framework for hiring, training, and leading a team that actually works without the burnout, the drama, or the endless, sige na, ako na lang. Because your business will only grow as much as your people do. Kaya get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.